Hi guys, welcome to Press with yet another video. And this video I'll show you how to properly disable this. You can see that RivaTuner statistics server. So the problem with this RivaTuner, especially if you have both MSI and a RivaTuner that you use to monitor your PC's performance while gaming, um, once you set up, it automatically loads each and every time you boot up the computer. You may want this MSI to load, but when MSI loads automatically at the startup, it also loads this RivaTuner statistics server as well. However, you know, there is no solution to get rid of this RivaTuner. RivaTuner has been found guilty of crashing so many other games. Especially some games actually crashes with this feature that comes with MSI Afterburner. So sometimes an updating to the latest version of MSI might work, but it's not always the case. Even after updating, you keeps sometimes it actually causes some crashing and causes some problem with other um, applications, especially games, and you don't want that to happen while gaming. Sometimes it loads up and crashes. It's whatever. So I'll show you how to actually properly disable this application. Just RivaTuner, not the MSI Afterburner. You may want MSI Afterburner to run in the background because you may have a custom tuning here for your graphics card and also a fan speed adjustment, everything. So if it to work properly, you need MSI Afterburner to run in the background, so in the tray, right? So, but to get rid of RivaTuner, you need to close Afterburner as well. That's kind of sick. I know how it feels. So I'll show you how to actually disable RivaTuner without closing MSI Afterburner. Okay, here you can see that if I close, it'll automatically load back. No matter however you try, it just keeps popping up. Here I have disabled start with the Windows. I have actually did that, start with the disabled off, and if I on or off, it doesn't matter. It doesn't close. If you click minimize or this close button, it's the same. It's there, no matter how hard you try. And some people suggest that you go to monitor and untick all this frame rate, frame time, and frame rate minutes kind of stuff if you have enabled it for monitoring your frame rate on gaming. So just disabling this, it will get rid of RivaTuner from loading. No, it just stop RivaTuner from loading. No, it doesn't work that way. Even if you disable these features, frame rate and frame time, etc., it still loads. So what you needed to do is just go to on-screen display, and there is something called toggle on-screen display server blocking. This is a actual feature that you need to enable so that you can actually toggle on and toggle off RivaTuner using a shortcut key. So that's how it happens. So to enable it, just click there and use whatever the key you want to use to toggle on and toggle off RivaTuner. So here I'm going to use Alt B. See that? Then click apply. Then click OK. Now you can see that there is RivaTuner. If I close, it will load back again. You see that? But if you use this key that you have just set up, like Alt B, you will see that it'll go away and it won't pop up again. So if you want to load it back, you need to manually load it, or you can use the same key, like toggle on. It'll load it. See that? That's how you just toggle on, toggle off. That's how it works. You can see that, right? I hope you can see that. You look at this here in the tray. It's in the tray. So that's how it works. So I hope this helps. So please hit the like and subscribe if it actually helped you. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.